Hi, here is the Yashica Minitec AF overall conditions. Okay, first of all, here is the battery compartment. We just pull the lock down and then we can just open it using two AA battery. Here, it's like this. Then we just actually you can just pull it out lah. Okay, and push it in and okay, it's locked. Next thing, by pulling this button to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here is the film. For the film, we need to put at this compartment, and we need to put like slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have into the center part of the canister, like that, and push it in. Film tip, pull until here will do, and make sure that your film is flat like this. Then just close it. We auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you have loaded the film successfully. Then we just pull it down to switch on. Like that, it's off. Then I cannot press the shutter. Okay, and here is a viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point here, you can see there's a bracket or a circle. So we just use that circle as a aiming point. Aim to the object we want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay. If it doesn't blink, the green light doesn't blink, means that it's okay to shoot. Then we just click it. Yeah. Okay. When it have a red light, which means that it's charging the flash. This camera is a fully auto camera, so just like okay, without the light, then we just can start shooting. The flash is auto, so it will sense the environment light and see whether it will trigger the flash or not. If let's say I aim to the bright place. Yeah, you see, it won't trigger the flash. Then here is the timer. Click the timer, and okay, it will start counting already. So when you want to use the timer, you just aim and click the timer, then it will start counting. Around 10 seconds, then almost there, it will start blinking faster. Okay. Next, here is a flash setting. This is like flash for a few times, then only it shoot. It's like a red light reduction function lah. Okay. Because it's out of battery. Okay, and we just click. This one is like force flash under the sun, like no matter what environment it will trigger the flash. This one is auto. Okay, then this is infinity. When you want to shoot using the infinity mode, you just click the button and shoot. It will auto focus to infinity. So it's like landscape. Like when shooting landscape, we need to use this mode lah. Then you can shoot like far. If the near object got object that is focused, then it will like the background will be blur or something. So it's better that if you want to shoot landscape, click the button and shoot like that. And when you didn't use it, just off it. And this camera will auto rewind when you shoot finish. So you just shoot until it auto rewind will do. Like example, maybe I can show you. Okay, face. Almost there. Okay, you see, here is 37, but sometimes you can still continue shoot, just shoot until it rewind, because sometimes you can get more than 36 pics for a roll of film. Yeah. So the total is 38. Then yeah, it's finished. It start rewind. Then you just wait until it be quiet or stop the sound, then you can just open the back cover. If inside got film, don't open the back cover. If not, the outcome will be exposed to the light and will be gone. Okay, almost there. Okay, like that means it's okay. Then we just take out the film to develop it. And here's the overall function. Hope you enjoyed.